Tired of missing updates on Jira issues? Learn how to add watchers in 60 seconds and never lose track again. It happens to all of us. You're waiting on a ticket, someone comments, an update happens, and you just don't see it. Suddenly, you're out of the loop, things get delayed, and communication breaks down. But there is a simple fix. Adding watchers to an issue means you get notified every single time something changes. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly where to click to add watchers to any issue in your Jira project. So let us start with the first step, logging in. Head over to your Jira account and sign in like you normally would. Nothing fancy here, just get yourself into the dashboard. Now, navigate to your project. On the left-hand side panel, you will see a list of your projects. Click on the one where the issue lives that you want to watch. This will bring up the backlog or the board for that team. Now, select the specific issue you want to watch. Scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top. Find that ticket, that task, or that user story you need to keep an eye on. Click on its key or its summary to open it up. And here is the part you came for. On the right side panel of that issue, you will see a lot of details. Status, assignee, priority, all that. But what you are looking for is up near the top. Find the eye icon. It is small, but it is there. Click on that eye icon. When you click it, a menu will appear. You will see a list of people who are already watching the issue, if any. And right below that, a button that says Add Watchers. Go ahead and click that button. Now, in my experience, this next part is really straightforward. A search box will pop up. Start typing the name of the person you want to add. It could be a teammate, a manager, or a stakeholder. Jira will show you matching results as you type. When you see the right person appear in that list, just click on their name, and that is it. They are instantly added as a watcher. Let us verify this worked. The menu will close, and the eye icon will update. If you click the eye icon again, you will see that person's name now appears in the watchers list next to the count. They are in the loop. You can add multiple watchers the same way. Just repeat those last few steps. Click the eye icon, click Add Watchers, type another name, and select them. I have done this for entire teams before. It takes just a few seconds per person. And that is all there is to it. No more guessing, no more asking, did you see that update? You just add the people who need to know, and Jira handles the rest. You now have the control to stay informed on every important issue in your project.